Hi everyone! Bought a blouse, but the sleeves are a little too short. That's exactly what happened to me. This sleeve has a thin elastic band that creates a ruffle, but it's definitely not long enough. Let's fix it and make a neat, professional-looking cuff. First, let's remove the elastic. Be careful not to cut the fabric with your scissors or seam ripper. Start by gently picking out and pulling the thread from the right side of the fabric. Then easily remove it from the wrong side. In the same way, one thread at a time, unpick the sleeve hem. Done. Since the elastic was sewn directly into the sleeve seam, removing it leaves a small opening. You definitely need to close it. Stitch this section on your sewing machine, then finish the edge with a zigzag stitch. You don't need a serger for this. Finally, press the entire bottom edge of the sleeve really well. To lengthen the sleeve, we'll need a strip of fabric that's 16 centimeters or 6 5/16 inches wide. I chose a stable knit fabric that matches the white print. Fold the strip in half, lengthwise, and press it flat. It'll be much easier to cut that way. Now, here's the most important tip. Don't measure your wrist by itself. Make a fist or cup your hand and measure the widest part instead. Otherwise, your hand simply won't fit through the finished cuff. Mine measures 22 centimeters or 8 11/16 inches. Cut a rectangle measuring 22 centimeters by 8 centimeters. That's 8 11/16 by 3 1/8 inches, including a 5 millimeter or 3/16 inch seam allowance on each side. Sew the cuff into a loop. To avoid extra bulk, press the seam allowances open inside the cuff, then fold the cuff in half. Place the finished cuff inside the sleeve. Of course, the sleeve is much wider. You could gather it, but I'm going to make a couple of neat pleats at the back of the sleeve instead. Sew the cuff in place, then finish the raw edge with the same zigzag stitch. Look how neat and stylish it turned out. Give this method a try. Check out our other clothing repair videos and subscribe so you don't miss any new sewing tips and tricks.